Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Simple Blockchain in Python, a Step-by-Step Tutorial. Introduction. Blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications extend far beyond digital currencies. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of building a simple blockchain in Python, providing a foundational understanding of how blockchain works. Prerequisites. Step 1. Setting up the project. Start by creating a new Python file for your blockchain project. You can name it simple_blockchain.py. Step 2. Creating the Genesis block. The first block in any blockchain is called the Genesis block. Let's create a function to generate it. Step 3. Adding blocks to the blockchain. Now, let's create a simple function to add new blocks to our blockchain. Step 4. Initializing the blockchain. Initialize the blockchain with the Genesis block. Step 5. Adding blocks to the blockchain. Let's add a few blocks to our blockchain. Step 6. Displaying the blockchain. To visualize our blockchain, let's print out each block's details. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've built a simple blockchain in Python. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of blockchain technology, and you can further enhance and expand upon this implementation for more advanced applications. ChatGPT.